everybody, Johan Magnuson here, Big Swede BBQ, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the new Beale Street powered by Memphis. So I have had my Memphis wood fire grill elite model now for over a year, and I love that grill. I love the versatility of it, the fact that you can smoke, bake, roast, grill, sear in one model, and it has quickly become my daily cooker. Now, not everybody has the budget to buy an elite or a pro model, so therefore I'm very excited to try out the new Beale Street powered by Memphis. A lot of the same functionalities, a lot of the same features, but at a much lower cost. So the grill has the same convection oven technology as the Elite and the Pro model, and with a temperature range spanning from 180 degrees all the way to 550, that really gives you the opportunity to cook in many different ways, to smoke, to bake, to roast, to grill, to sear, which is the kind of versatility that you're really looking for in a pellet grill. Another really cool functionality of the Beale Street powered by Memphis is that it's designed for the direct flame insert, which basically means that when you insert this, you can cook over an open flame in a pellet grill. The pellet hopper is front-loaded and it has a pellet capacity of 12 pounds. So the Beale Street powered by Memphis already has a decent cooking surface of 558 square inches, but if you add a couple of additional grates to it, you can expand it all the way up to 817. So another thing that I like about the Beale Street is that the brains of the operation, the ITC, the Intelligent Temperature Control, is exactly the same one that you will get with the Pro and the Elite model, and I love the precision of this unit. So a really cool feature with the ITC is that it has an integrated Wi-Fi controller, and that together with the Memphis mobile app gives me the freedom to basically monitor and adjust my grill and food temperature from anywhere. So the technology works through the cloud, which means that you can monitor and control the grill from home, from work, or basically anywhere. So I find that this application is really useful when I cook things that takes a long time, like brisket or pulled pork. Then I might have to do some last minute shopping, and then when I'm at the store, I get a notification in my app saying that the brisket is coming up to temperature and it's time to start to head home. And I can even set it up so I get text messages or email alert telling me it's time to go home and take the brisket out of the grill. So the Beale Street powered by Memphis has 3 inputs for meat probes, and they're using the same high quality meat probes that you will find in the Pro and the Elite. So the design and how a grill looks, that's always a personal matter. For me, I like the Beale Street powered by Memphis. I think it's a good looking pellet grill, and it's 430 stainless steel, so you also know that it's gonna stand up against weather pretty good. In the cart, you have a good sized cabinet that is excellent for storage. So in conclusion, I think that the Beale Street powered by Memphis, it's a really good looking stainless steel pellet grill. And I think with the versatility that you get from it, you can smoke, you can bake, you can roast, and with the temperature range going from 180 degrees all the way up to 550, together with the direct flame insert, gives you the opportunity to also grill and sear in an amazing way. That together with the ITC, the Intelligent Temperature Control, the Wi-Fi, the meat probes, it makes for a very, very good pellet grill. And I can't wait to start cooking on this one. I hope you like this little introduction of the Beale Street powered by Memphis. I'm Johan Magnuson, Big Swede BBQ. Happy grilling.